Your oil filter is the only thing keeping harmful particles out of your engine, and the wrong one can shorten engine life faster than most drivers realize. Today, I'm ranking the 8 best oil filters of 2026, from budget-friendly daily drivers to premium synthetic and marine options. Links are in the description with updated pricing. Let's get into it. Opening at number 8, the Quicksilver oil filter is here for one specific and important audience that oil filters typically ignore completely: MerCruiser stern drive and inboard engine owners. The Quicksilver is produced to meet Mercury Marine's original equipment manufacturer specifications for MerCruiser high-performance stern drive and inboard engines made by General Motors and Mercury Marine. This is not a general automotive filter adapted for marine use. It is a purpose-built marine engine filter. The M-pleated cleansing filter media is the core filtration technology, engineered to remove oil contaminants specific to marine engine operating environments, including the fuel contamination, water intrusion, and varnish buildup that marine engines encounter in ways automotive engines don't. The anti-drain back valve ensures startup lubrication and eliminates dry starts after the extended storage periods that marine engines commonly experience between uses. Quicksilver is what those engines were designed to run on. For MerCruiser owners, this is the filter. Number 7 is the AC Delco GM PF2232. AC Delco GM original equipment parts are designed, validated, and tested by the same GM engineers who built the engines they're protecting. That's not a marketing distinction. It reflects a genuine engineering advantage. Modern Chevrolet, Buick, GMC, and Cadillac engines are calibrated to specific oil flow rates and hydraulic system requirements that demand precisely matched filtration components. The PF2232 keeps abrasive particles away from bearings and other engine hydraulic components using specifications that GM engineers validated internally, not approximated from published data. For GM vehicle owners, running the OE-validated filter is the correct engineering decision. Not a compromise, not playing it safe, but the right answer for your specific engine. If you drive a Chevrolet, Buick, GMC, or Cadillac, this is the filter. At number 6, the Bosch Premium brings European engineering precision to the Honda, Acura, Nissan, and Infiniti owner segment. And the fitment coverage on this variant is genuinely comprehensive for those vehicle families. The Filtech media technology captures and holds up to 14 grams of dirt and contaminants, a concrete, measurable specification rather than vague efficiency language. The strong steel base plates and housings prevent the warpage and poor seating that cause slow oil leaks over extended intervals. The silicone anti-drain back valve delivers clean oil on every startup, and the metal spiral wound center tube provides the structural strength to maintain filter integrity through repeated pressure cycles. For Honda, Acura, Nissan, and Infiniti owners who want European filtration engineering applied to their specific application at a competitive price, the Bosch Premium is the pick. Number 5 is the Purolator One. The high-density synthetic blend media delivers 15,000 miles of engine protection with over 99% dirt capture efficiency, filtration numbers that match the premium picks above it, at a service interval that suits drivers running synthetic blend or full synthetic oil on extended but not maximum length drain schedules. The PTFE-treated gasket is the material detail that earns attention at this tier. PTFE is heat-resistant and flexible in ways that standard rubber gaskets aren't, maintaining a reliable seal through the repeated thermal cycling that a 15,000-mile interval involves. The double helix high-flow center tube provides both structural integrity and enhanced oil circulation, the same architectural concept that the Purolator Boss above it uses, scaled appropriately for the One's application range. For drivers on 12,000 to 15,000 mile synthetic intervals who want proven Purolator quality at a mid-tier price, the Purolator One is the correct pick. At number 4, the K&N Select HP10008. K&N built their reputation on understanding that filtration and airflow are fundamentally in tension. You can filter more finely at the cost of flow restriction, or you can maximize flow at the cost of filtration fineness. The HP10008 resolves that tension specifically for performance engine applications by prioritizing consistent, high-volume oil flow delivery throughout the entire service interval. In high-revving applications where oil pressure consistency directly determines both engine performance and longevity, a filter that introduces restriction is a filter that costs you horsepower and engine life simultaneously. For performance builds, modified engines, and applications where oil pressure consistency is the critical parameter, that's the right trade-off. For standard everyday driving, the picks above it push filtration efficiency further. For performance-focused buyers, this filter earns a higher position on your personal list. The bronze medal goes to the Purolator Boss. The Smart Fusion full synthetic media captures over 99% of dirt particles across up to 20,000 miles of service, matching the longest full synthetic drain intervals without degradation. That's the baseline. The construction details are the real story. The double helix metal center tube is the engineering feature that defines the Purolator Boss's severe duty credentials. The helical geometry actively enhances oil circulation through the filter element while simultaneously withstanding the extreme pressure spikes that occur during towing, hauling, and off-road operations. A standard straight center tube cannot deliver that combination, structure and circulation simultaneously under sustained load. When oil pressure spikes hard and fast during heavy use, that center tube is what holds the filter's integrity. Fitment covers Chrysler, Ford, GM, Honda, Hyundai, Mazda, Mitsubishi, and Nissan. Verify your exact application. For towing, hauling, and severe-duty synthetic oil users, this is the filter. Number 2 is the Fram XtraGuard. The XtraGuard earns number 2 by being the most correctly positioned filter on this list for a very large segment of drivers that premium-focused lists consistently underserve. The proprietary cellulose and glass fiber blend media is the engineering foundation. This isn't standard cellulose. The glass fiber component delivers finer, more consistent particle capture than natural fibers alone, achieving 95% dirt trapping efficiency while maintaining the oil flow rates that standard cellulose can't always provide. It's rated for up to 10,000 miles, the correct service interval for drivers who change oil regularly and don't push extended synthetic drain schedules. The silicone non-drainback valve delivers up to 3 times the hot oil resistance of standard valves, meaningfully specifically for synthetic oil users because synthetic oil runs thinner at operating temperature, making drainback valve performance more critical than it is with conventional oil. The SureGrip non-slip exterior handles installation and removal with oil-covered hands cleanly. And the best oil filter of 2026 is the Wix XP. Wix has been supplying original equipment filters to vehicle manufacturers for decades. The XP line is their premium synthetic-specific product, and the engineering detail that defines its quality above everything else on this list is the one that most buyers don't understand the significance of. The next-generation synthetic blended media with natural fibers is structurally strong enough to eliminate wire backing entirely. Every other filter in the premium category uses wire backing to prevent media collapse under pressure. The Wix XP media holds its structure without it, because the media itself is that strong. That is a genuine engineering achievement, not a manufacturing shortcut, and it tells you everything you need to know about the quality of what's inside this filter. The result is 99% filtration efficiency at 23 microns, exceptionally fine filtration that catches the particles in the size range where the most cumulative long-term engine wear originates, consistent, across up to 20,000 miles of synthetic oil service, without the media degrading or losing efficiency as the interval extends. If you want the best oil filter available in 2026, this is the answer. Wix XP, number 1. That's your complete ranked list. The 8 best oil filters of 2026. All the links are in the description, updated regularly for current pricing. If this video helped you pick the right filter, hit the like button. It genuinely helps the channel. Subscribe if you haven't already because we cover every major product category with this same depth. I'll see you in the next one.